Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can amend an OC. Amend an OC as in how you can edit or make changes in any order confirmation or sales order. So first of all you need to go to your all modules, click on this. Now you need to go to sales and purchase. Once you will go to sales and purchase, please check. This is one of my OC which is created. You need to come in sales and purchase segment of transaction. So here I will open this particular OC. So this is a transaction timeline which is created once I created the OC. So please check, this is the OC number. I will click on OC number. Once I will click on OC number, this is the OC which will get opened up. So in this particular OC, I want to add one more item. So how I can do so? So here on your right hand side, you will see an option of more. Click on this. Now you will get an option of amend. Click on amend. It will ask for the confirmation. Click on yes, amend. After that, go below. Here, as I mentioned that I want to add a new item. So I will click on add item. Then after I will select that particular item. Please check how much it is. It's 20. I will put a HSN code for this. Price I will mention, as because in my inventory price is not mentioned, so it is not coming, else price must have came. So it is 600. After that I will select the tax. Now counterparty code, as I mentioned, which is one of my custom field which I have created, I will fill that detail. Now go below and I will save and send this particular OC. Once I saved and sent, please check the OC is edited and the new item is added. Do remember that amendment will only happen if there are no next document created after this OC. If I will go to my transaction timeline, the unique transaction timeline, please check. This new OC is created and below that there is no other document created. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to amend the OC. Have a good day ahead.